In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom to record a Zoom meeting. This is a handy skill that can help you capture important discussions and share them later with your team or clients. Let's get started. First, open the Loom desktop application on your computer. You will see the familiar interface with options for recording. If you do not have the app installed yet, you can download it from the Loom website. Opening the app is crucial because it allows you to access all the features needed for recording. You will notice the main controls and settings that will help you customize your recording experience. Make sure everything is running smoothly before moving on to the next step. Next, click the three dots menu icon located in the top right corner of the Loom window. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This step is important because it takes you to the settings where you can adjust how Loom functions while recording. You will see various options that can enhance your recording quality and experience. By accessing these preferences, you are ensuring that your recording is set up to meet your specific needs. Now, click on the Video and Audio tab. This section is where you can manage how video and audio will be captured during your recording session. You will see options related to camera settings, microphone settings, and audio sources. Adjusting these settings is essential for ensuring that your recordings are clear and professional. It also allows you to set up the environment for optimal sound and video quality, which is vital for an effective recording. Next, toggle the Use System Audio option to On. By enabling this feature, you ensure that any audio playing through your computer will be captured in the recording. This is particularly useful for Zoom meetings where you want to include the sound from other participants. Turning this on guarantees that your viewers will hear everything that is said during the meeting, making the recording more valuable and informative. After that, go to the Enhance tab and turn off Noise Suppression or Filter. Disabling this feature ensures that you capture the full range of audio without any artificial filtering. Sometimes noise suppression can eliminate important sounds or voices, which can affect the quality of your recording. By turning this off, you are prioritizing capturing the natural sound of the meeting, which is crucial for a genuine recording experience. Now, open your Zoom application and join or start your meeting. This is where the actual meeting takes place and you'll be able to interact with other participants. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid disruptions during the meeting. Remember, you want to create a seamless experience for both yourself and the people you are connecting with. Once you are in the meeting, it's essential to bring your Loom application window to the front. This ensures that you can easily control the recording without disrupting the flow of your meeting. Being able to see the Loom controls helps you monitor the recording process, and it allows you to make any adjustments if necessary. Keeping everything organized will ultimately save you time and effort later on. Now ensure both your camera and microphone are turned on. Decide if you want to record the full screen or just a specific portion. This choice is vital because it affects how your viewers will experience the recording. Full screen allows for a more immersive experience, while a specific portion can help focus on particular content. Either way, make sure the settings align with your goals for the recording. Next, click the red Start Recording button in Loom. This action officially begins the recording process, capturing everything happening in the Zoom meeting. You will see the button change state, indicating that the recording is live. This is an exciting moment as you are now ready to document your meeting. Remember, this step is critical because it marks the beginning of your recorded session. A 3-second countdown will play and Loom will begin capturing the Zoom meeting. This countdown gives you a moment to prepare yourself for the meeting. You can take a deep breath and get ready to engage with your participants. During this time, you can also check your camera angle and microphone settings to ensure everything is in order. Finally, when the meeting ends, click the red Stop button on the floating Loom control menu. This action stops the recording and ensures that your changes are saved. You will see a confirmation to indicate that your recording has been successfully captured. This step is crucial as it allows you to finalize your recording process and ensures that all of your valuable content has been preserved for sharing later.